I'm here with Jay Newberry, who's an associate professor of geography, and Jay has been responsible for the drone flights over Johnson City during the revitalization. And I'm here today to introduce him and also ask him two questions. One is, what's the benefit of drone flights and photos in general? And the second one is, what has it been used for in Johnson City for demolition and other examples, and why they're important?
The benefits of using drones? Well, everything that we look at here, what we're looking for is change. And so everything that we look at here is at the human scale, it's at the eye level, line of sight. But when you're using drones, it's bringing another perspective, whether we're talking about orthogonal, we're looking straight down, or if we're using oblique, the bird's eye view, is giving us a wider perspective of what's going on within our study area. Things that we probably never would have seen just by looking at eye level. So those are the benefits of using the drone.
How about the purpose and the use of drones, photographs and images and video here on the Health Sciences campus?
It's good because we're capturing change. University, they're doing a lot of development around here, so is UHS, and we're capturing that change as it occurs. These are things that we're looking at right now, and we're also capturing other changes that we don't know about. The university keeps us apprised of the changes that are taking place, where they're doing demolition, where they're not doing demolition. We catch some of the stuff that the UHS is doing. We know about that, but there's also other changes that private people are doing that we might not know about, that we can catch with the drones, just to keep everything, keep a record of all of that. Sunrise. A good example, and there's other examples too, like the firehouse down here. We saw over there by the Victory Factory, some of those buildings around there were being refurbished that we never knew about, but it's like private citizens going to work, you know, to make things a little bit better because the place is really changing.
Yeah.
Also, Johnson City is it's like living history. Most of the buildings that you see going up and going around down here, they've been here forever. You know, people know about them, they have a history about it. By recording the construction and the destruction of these buildings, basically capturing that history and keeping tabs of what's going on and keeping a record so people can see what it used to be in the past and what it's going to be in the future.
Thank you very much. Another section of the Johnson City story map contains video of the demolitions of recently acquired properties by Binghamton University. This section explores the changing landscapes of Corliss Avenue. We begin this journey down Corliss Avenue at its intersection with Arch Street. The vacant properties between Arch and Broad Streets are located on Corliss Avenue across from the Binghamton University Pharmacy School, and they represent the results of 3 demolitions: the demolition of 2 vacant residential buildings and a long-closed former retail pharmacy. This new vacant long strip currently supports parking, but will have a new function in the future. As we move down Corliss Avenue, the vacant land on the right was previously purchased by Binghamton University and will host a research and development building for the campus. As we approach the intersection of Corliss and Jennison Avenues, we observe a vacant site where a demolished building will be replaced by a new elderly clinic that will include Binghamton University nursing students and staff from Lord's Hospital. As we near the end of Corliss Avenue, 2 work trailers appear at 1 Corliss, at the intersection of Corliss and Oslin Road. A former residence and a physician's office were previous uses before demolition and now await a future use. As we redirect the drone flight, we view 4246 Corliss Avenue sites from a different perspective. These sites previously hosted Oslin factories that were demolished in April-May 2019. These sites are currently being prepared for other uses by Binghamton University. we complete this journey by passing over the reconstruction of the Endicott Johnson box factory. And then finally, viewing the pharmacy school.